let's start off with having a little discussion on what do you think were the top headlines that made it. I mean, we at the Gadget 360 team had a lot of things to discuss, but I'd love to know from all of you. So we thought the fact that companies were able to launch things, so virtual launch events, Apple's M1 chip, completely changes the game for a lot in the future, that it will bring the ban on Chinese apps, some of the biggest ones got knocked out, TikTok and PUBG and others. Online education, good or bad, I still don't know. Apple removing the charger from the box, I think, was another big headline. So, Swapnil, let's start with you. Anything else that you thought really stood out?
I think for me personally, when the pandemic hit, there was something called folding at home that sort of started trending, which is essentially distributed computing where, your laptop is lying at home, it's idle, but there are medical researchers who can remotely use the computing power of your laptop or your desktop to sort of decode the COVID-19 virus.
Dishant, what about you? Anything that really stood out as the biggest tech headline for you?
For me, because I've been also reviewing and driving a lot of connected cars. For me, 2020 was the year when I think the connected car technology also just came to, just came of age.
All right, let's take a look at what we at the Gadget 360 team thought were the best or what the worst, the most controversial also. So tech headlines that really made 2020 happen.
2020, a year that everyone said was cancelled. But was it really? Well, when it comes to tech, it wasn't. And we can prove that to you with the biggest headlines from this different yet exciting year. Virtual launch events. Initially, a lot of tech enthusiasts, including us, thought that expecting a grand launch event is not fair this year. But boy, were we proven wrong. It was surprising to see how quickly tech brands around the globe adapted to the situation. While OnePlus launched its much-awaited flagship phones in October with a virtual launch event where customers were allowed to virtually unbox the latest phone and experience it in augmented reality, Apple came out as the king of launches this year, with the company practically launching a refreshed lineup of all its products. It started in September with the launch of the Apple Watch Series 6 and the new iPad Air. From the big bang in October with the latest iPhone 12 series to the much-awaited introduction of the Apple M1 chips, we saw high-quality content made by the tech giant, which made sure we don't miss the generic press parties. The ban on Chinese apps. Now, ban is one word that we heard quite a lot this year. It all started in the first wave, started with the Indian government passing an order to ban 59 Chinese apps in India, including TikTok. The internet community reacted to this decision with mixed emotions. While a healthy chunk of people was satisfied with the decision, some sections of the community thought otherwise. However, a big surprise came in September when we saw a ban on another 118 Chinese apps, including PUBG Mobile. A favorite among gaming enthusiasts in India, PUBG Mobile had an active user base of around 50 million in India. Yes, there were heartbreaks. Online education. When the pandemic hit us this year, education became a talking point. Parents around the globe were concerned for their children and how they will cope with their studies. It was then that we saw a quick shift with education going completely virtual. Schools adapted to Google Classrooms in never-seen-before numbers. We also saw Zoom calls becoming a trend. Not only this, the online education sector saw a massive jump in users. Startups like those of Byju's saw a 200% increase in their user base, while Vedantu raised a whopping $100 million to meet the growing demand.